A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a few moments to close your eyes and relax. Allow yourself to become aware of your body and the space around you. Try not to judge anything going forward. Visualize a sparkly white light surrounding you, cleansing away any stress or negative energy that may be present in the room. Now take a deep breath and imagine all of the dust, dirt, and clutter around you being lifted up into the air. As it is airborne, see the white light absorbing it, purifying it, until there is nothing left but cleanliness. Notice how this makes you feel lighter, as if a weight has been lifted from your shoulders. Continue inhaling deeply, and with each exhale, release further tension from your muscles until you are completely relaxed. Now focus on one area of the room and visualize it becoming spotless. Imagine yourself organizing it, tidying up any mess that may be present. Notice how this brings you a sense of peace. Picture 3 baskets, one for garbage, one to donate, and the one that is left for items to be put into their place. Visualize each item being slowly placed into its designated home. If it does not have a designated home, use this meditative space to create one. Where is it? What does it look like? Now move on to another area and do the same thing until your entire space is clean, organized, and free from clutter. Feel the lightness in the air and appreciate how tranquil this environment has become. Feel the joy and the room that you have to do the things you love. When you are finished, open your eyes and take one final deep breath. Enjoy the feeling of clarity that comes with having a tidy space.